If you need to remove old shingles, here's how we recommend you do it. Strip one roof plane at a time and work in that section through all steps, up to and including the application of the new roof shingles. The deck must be dry for the job. Be sure to remove all old nails or hammer them down flush to the deck surface. It's essential to make all necessary repairs to the existing roof deck. If the surface is warped or uneven, it will make re-roofing difficult and the finished project will look unprofessional. The deck should be applied in a staggered pattern bridged across roof rafters or roof trusses. Replace rotted, damaged, or warped sheathing or delaminated plywood. If you need to replace the whole deck, check your municipality's building codes to determine the thickness and type of sheathing they require. Dimensional lumber is subject to expansion and contraction caused by temperature and humidity changes, which can buckle the newly laid overlying shingles. To avoid buckling shingles, you should cover a dimensional deck with a sheathing.
ICO's limited warranty does not cover buckling.
You can reuse soil stack and vent flashings if they're in good condition, but it's usually best to replace them with new ones. Now that your roof deck is prepped and ready, we can start talking about synthetic underlayments and deck protection.